You have reached your destination.
Okay, so here's today's. Just here. Here's today's work. I've got all my carpeting ready to go. I've got all of it. None of this is glued down, by the way. The stuff on the wheel wells is, but this isn't. So I'll be removing that stuff. I'm going to install these fasteners, or whatever these things are called, in my sides so I can hold my battery cover down. Big piece there in the center. I have called Sports and Classic, who I bought my interior kit from for the seats. And they aren't returning my phone calls. I ordered some extra stuff. I'm talking Naugahyde vinyl for carpet edging, and so that's on order. I should get that Tuesday or Monday, somewhere thereabouts. So I'm doing little nits and noids and things that I want to get done but aren't hugely necessary. I can wait till the last minute to have this thing done. And I've put my my fenders on, and I have discovered something troubling. That. Yep. I have a bum fender. So when I pulled this thing apart, it was brazed together. There's what, 13 or 12 or 11, I don't know what it is, bolts that hold the fenders onto the frame. After I took all those off years ago, yeah, and started to pull it apart, I found that, like I said, my fender was welded, brazed to everything else. So I didn't know enough to know that there's a piece missing there, because I'm stupid. Over here, it looks just fine. It needs some adjustment, but it looks just fine. So I'll be fixing or coming up with a whole new fender. I hate to do it. God, I hate to do it because I put a lot of time and effort into fixing this thing, but you know, I may have to. At least pull it off and repair it. Or cover it up with a tonneau cover and never tell anybody until I get time to redo it. That's probably what I'll do. Anyway, back to this. And this. Yep. So I'm going to start by drilling some holes, likely here and on the opposite side. I need to understand where and how this thing comes out. I'll probably just lay this piece of carpet over my... Actually, let's do that. Hold on. Yeah, so this may not be my best option. May not be. I'll have to figure this out. So this piece of carpet here is at the very edge of the metal under it, right? And you can see that the overlap there is not much. In fact, it's actually going to be about right there. Yes, thank you for your help. So putting this in the receiving side won't be tough. That's just notching out some metal in there. I'm more worried about... I might be able to do it. Yeah, I might be able to do it like this. I've got fasteners and everything else ready to go. Actually, this part would go over like this on the edge. I can do it. Yeah, I think I will. I was thinking, while I was pausing, maybe I'll put something in the center like that. But I'm thinking I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Let me pause. Get my drill and everything ready to go. Here's what I've come up with. I actually used drill bit set and where is it? All bit. Very nicely done. I made probably the nicest textbook circle in metal that you will ever see. Take my word on it. I didn't take any pictures. And it fits perfectly. A little indentation there. So I'll drill some holes for the fasteners, and there she blows. I actually used the existing hole that was there for the other fasteners. I couldn't find the damn thing, so I just made new ones. Yep. So next step is to drill the holes in the car and fasten that, and Bob's your uncle. And here we go. This one's in and done and fastened and tested, actually, and as is the other one. done. I actually used the same location as the other fasteners were. This one was missing, and I shouldn't say missing. The little brass rail in the center on the other side was gone, and this one was more or less cut or rusted or something. Both of those sides were useless. And I'll hit pause and bring you to the lid. And there's a lid. I've got a little bit of paint on there so I can protect the metal. This is not plastic. This is actually this is metal itself. This is good stuff. As is the plug that fastens into that little wire. Excuse me. I've decided to take off this lining plus the Dynamat basically on top of that, so I can get these two pieces as close together as possible for pretty even fastening. And when I put carpet over this, I'm going to put carpet, and this will be down, so I'll put carpet over everything here so you don't even see this. And then I'll probably not glue it from down there, so I can just lift it up and tighten it down and put it back down with a piece of Velcro or something else to keep the carpet down. So yeah, I'm not too displeased. Certainly there's a little bit of overhang there. Let's see it from the side profile. That actually doesn't bother me. I don't care about that at all. And the same thing over here. Again, a pretty good job, I think. And paint is still wet. That's it. So I have tested this. Before I painted it, I tested these fasteners, and no, it all works correctly. So it's exactly what I wanted and exactly what I needed. And that is the end of that.